Hello, little learners. Today we will learn the alphabet from A to Z with fun words. This is the letter A. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for airplane. This is the letter B. B is for ball. B is for bear. B is for butterfly. B is for banana. B is for bee. B is for bus. This is the letter C. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for cake. C is for cow. C is for crab. C is for cup. This is the letter D. D is for dog. D is for duck. D is for doll. D is for drum. D is for dolphin. D is for door. This is the letter E. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for ear. E is for eagle. E is for envelope. E is for elbow. This is the letter F. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for flower. F is for fan. F is for fork. F is for flag. This is the letter G. G is for goat. G is for grapes. G is for guitar. G is for giraffe. G is for gift. G is for glasses. This is the letter H. H is for hat. H is for horse. H is for house. H is for hen. H is for heart. H is for honey. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for ink. I is for iguana. I is for island. I is for iron. This is the letter J. J is for jam. J is for jar. J is for jeep. J is for juice. J is for jacket. J is for jellyfish. This is the letter K. K is for kite. K is for king. K is for kangaroo. K is for key. K is for kiwi. K is for ketchup. This is the letter L. L is for lion. L is for leaf. L is for lamp. L is for lemon. L is for ladder. L is for lock. This is the letter M. M is for monkey. M is for moon. M is for mango. M is for milk. M is for mushroom. M is for moth. This is the letter N. N is for nest. N is for nose. N is for nut. N is for necklace. N is for newspaper. N is for noodles. This is the letter O. O is for owl. O is for orange. O is for octopus. O is for onion. O is for oven. O is for ostrich. This is the letter P. P is for pig. P is for pumpkin. P is for pencil. P is for panda. P is for penguin. P is for piano. This is the letter Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. Q is for question mark. Q is for quail. Q is for quarter. Q is for quiver. This is the letter R. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow. R is for rose. R is for ring. R is for river. R is for robot. This is the letter S. S is for sun. S is for star. S is for snake. S is for shoe. S is for ship. S is for strawberry. This is the letter T. T is for tiger. T is for tree. T is for turtle. T is for table. T is for train. T is for tomato. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. U is for umpire. U is for unicorn. U is for uniform. U is for urn. U is for ukulele. This is the letter V. V is for van. V is for violin. V is for volcano. V is for vase. V is for vest. V is for vulture. This is the letter W. W is for watch. W is for whale. W is for watermelon. W is for window. W is for wagon. W is for worm. This is the letter X. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. Box has an X. Fox has an X. 6 has X. Axe has an X. This is the letter Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yarn. Y is for yellow. Y is for yogurt. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yolk. This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Z is for zipper. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zucchini. Z is for zeppelin.